Hey guys, it's me, Natalie, and today I'm going to be checking if I have 4 or more red fidgets. Ooh, I just found one. Popcorn, squishy. I do count it because it does have like 90% of red. So yeah, that's one. We have this. I'm not seeing anything else. Ooh. The Santa Claus Simple Dimple does have a lot of red. Okay, that's 2. Check. Ooh, I have this crab poppet. Has the ABCs. Let's keep looking. Ooh, I have this French fry poppet. I love the pop of this French fry poppet. It's like so good. Okay. That is 4. Let's check if I have more than that. Ooh. I have this Christmas themed fidget spinner from a fidget calendar. Let's see more. Let's see. Nope, I don't think there's any more red fidgets in here. Oh, it's a dice. See it? Okay, now I'm gonna be looking in my clay container and in my clay box. I just did an orange fidget challenge. Yeah, it was 5 or more. I did have more than 5. Okay, so I have this one. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 red fidgets so far. Ooh, I do have this, but it has different type of colors, and it does have less red than the other type of colors. Because it has more purple, more yellow, more purple, more blue, more orange, and yeah, then red. Okay, I have 6 red fidgets. Okay, put this back where it belongs. Okay, yeah. Bye guys.